Helen Keller Day is commemorated every year on her birthday, June 27th. It is a day to remember her achievements in life and her resilience when overcoming challenges. Helen Keller was an author, activist, lecturer, and advocate for people with disabilities, being deafblind herself. This commemorative holiday is well known for the fundraising fashion show that is held on this day. Helen Keller was born on June 27, 1880, in Alabama. When she was only 19 months old, she contracted an illness that left her deaf and blind. After taking her to a specialist doctor, her parents were advised to contact Alexander Graham Bell, who then instructed them to take Helen to the Perkins Institute for the Blind. There, the school director introduced them to Anne Sullivan, 20 years old and blind herself, who would become Keller's tutor and lifelong companion. It was Sullivan who first taught Keller how to spell and write, by making her trace the spelling of the names of different objects with her fingers on the palms of her hands. Despite her first delays in picking up the language, Keller went on to pursue higher education. In 1900, she was accepted into Harvard University. In 1904, at 24 years old, Helen Keller was the first deaf-blind person to graduate with a Bachelor of Arts degree. Through her education, she learned to speak, and much of her life was spent giving lectures and speeches about her life and raising awareness about the disabilities of those that are deaf and/or blind. She then went on to become an internationally renowned speaker, author, advocate, and suffragette, traveling to over 40 countries in her life. In 1915, she founded Helen Keller International, an organization that aims to do research in health and vision. She was also a co-founder of the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU,